Well, hello there, and welcome to another training video. In this nugget, I'll be sharing with you WordPress themes like Fiverr. Let's get started. Exertio Freelance Marketplace WordPress theme. Exertio is a premium WordPress theme that allows you to create and launch your freelancing service and project posting marketplace website. You can create a similar website as freelance.com, Fiverr, or Upwork portal with a commission-based system. Your users can create employer and freelancer account free of cost within a minute. Exertio is a fully featured and super powerful marketplace WordPress theme specifically designed for service-based business owners to grow their business online. Whether your business is smaller or a large fully functional business, this most advanced freelancing WordPress theme will help you create a full-featured packed website. The theme is developed using market research to make it compatible with the users who are looking for the best marketplace website. Some of the great features that comes with the Exertio Freelance WordPress theme are the jobs alert, video calling, meeting integration with Zoom, custom feed for project and services, employers and freelancers, specialization field for freelancers, transactional statements, on-site notification, and milestones creation. The theme also brags around some sassy features, including easy customizable dashboard, completely reusable section, targeted ad spots, multiple listing styles, and SEO optimized. The monetization system in this theme include the commission system, the wallet system which is included, micro earning, sold banner ads, making money with Google AdSense, employer or freelancer packages. If you're looking to start a freelance business like Fiverr, then Exertio Freelance Market WordPress theme is the way to go. Unit 5 Creative Multipurpose WordPress theme. Unit 5 is a multi-purpose, professional, clean, creative, and easy to use WordPress theme. When purchasing this theme, you receive a detailed help file along with additional features like drag and drop page builder and the slider revolution plugin. The theme comes with the premium slider, demo content which is included, e-commerce support, responsive layout, unlimited colors, font adjusting, and mega menus. Unit 5 Creative Multipurpose Theme will surely solve your freelancing needs. Freeio Freelance Marketplace WordPress Theme. Freeio is a freelance marketplace WordPress theme with some exciting features and excellent code quality. Using this theme, you can create a completely and fully responsive freelance marketplace or other similar projects. The design is contemporary, but at the same time, it focuses on the usability. The design is contemporary, but at the same time, it focuses on the usability, visual hierarchy, and an aesthetic to easily navigate for the end users. The system will allow the freelancers and employers to register and create their profiles in a few simple steps. Once the task is posted on the marketplace, the freelancers will have the option to submit their proposal for employer to review. Once a proposal is accepted, employers will be required to make the payment, which will be received by the admin, but will also be shown in the system wallet of the freelancer after deduction of admin's commission under the pending payment section. Once the project is complete and approved by the employer, that amount will be moved from pending balance section to available balance in the freelancer's web. Some of the features of this theme include responsive and retina ready, page templates, one-click demo import, box layout option, translation ready, WooCommerce compatible, listing search code, among many others. If you're looking for a freelance theme like Fiverr, then Freeio Freelance Marketplace WordPress theme is the way to go. Prolancer Freelance Marketplace WordPress theme. Prolancer is a freelance marketplace WordPress theme with all necessary powerful features in freelancing. It has been designed and developed on the requirements of people's interest in building freelance marketplace like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer.com. The sellers will have the option to submit their proposal for buyers to review. Once a proposal is accepted, the buyer will be required to make the payment from the wallet system of the seller after the deduction of the admin's commission under the pending payment section. Once the project is completed and approved by the buyer, the amount will move from the pending balance section to the available balance in the seller's wallet. The commission system will enable the admin to monetize this system. The theme comes with a gig creation section that allows the seller to provide offer services at their own price in multiple packages. Prolance allows the freelancers and buyers to organize projects and services from separate front-end dashboards that they can chat with each other internally. No need to buy any additional plugin or extra service for that. You can manage your order inventory from a powerful WooCommerce dashboard. To create any page, you don't need to have any coding knowledge. It is very easy to customize. Prolancer supports Elementor Page Builder, which is the drag and drop interface. Just pick an element and drag and drop to the specific section and you're done. This theme also supports the powerful theme option, Redux Framework, where you can change your current theme color to any color you want, even if it supports gradients as well. Prolancer WordPress theme has three different layers. Prolancer is extremely customizable. Its appearance is impressive on tablets and mobile devices. You can manage your order inventory from a powerful WooCommerce dashboard. Prolancer supports Elementor Page plugin, which is a drag and drop interface. Just pick an element and drag and drop to the specific section, and it's done. With the SASE features, I believe if you want to set a freelance-like website in WordPress, then Prolancer Freelance Marketplace WordPress theme is the way to go. Workreap Freelance Marketplace and Directory Business Theme. Workreap is a freelance marketplace WordPress theme with some exciting features and excellent code quality. It has been designed and devoted throughout research to cater the requirements of people interested in building freelance marketplace or similar projects. The design is contemporary, but at the same time, it focuses on the usability, visual hierarchy, and aesthetic to ensure easy navigations for the end users. This system will allow the freelancers and employers to register and create their profiles in few simple steps. Once the task is posted on the marketplace, the freelancer will have an option to submit their proposal for employer to review. Once a proposal is accepted, employer will be required to make payment, which will be received by the admin, but it will also be shown in the wallet system of that freelancer after deduction of admin's commission under the pending payment section. Once the project is complete and approved by the employer, the amount will move from the pending balance section to available balance in the freelancer's wallet. The commission system will enable the admin to monetize this system. This system has a built-in one-to-one message inbox system to enable users to communicate with each other if they had any questions regarding work or proposal. It includes project listing, bidding on project, selling services, employers listing, freelancer listing, and could be a great choice for market and freelance marketplace. Well, These are the WordPress themes like Fiverr. And if you like this video, smash the like button and I'll see you in the next nugget.